In this video, you're going to learn the blueprint to make $1,000 a day using YouTube Shorts. And I'm going to show you a way in which you don't even have to record videos. You don't need any previous experience. It's completely free. And all you need to do is copy and paste. And I want to start off by showing you why this opportunity is unique. If you go into my YouTube dashboard analytics, you're going to see that in the past 20 days, it's not even a month, I was able to make only off of ads 30,000 something, right? And if you go into this tab right here, revenue, you're going to see that my CPM is $25.92 and my RPM is $13.05. What does this mean? This means that advertisers pay YouTube $25.92 to advertise their products on my videos. And YouTube shares a percentage with me, which is 68% to be more exact, which in total is $13.05, right? And the reason why I'm showing you this is because YouTube in 2023, in January to be more specific, is going to start paying creators 40% of the ad revenue from short form content. So as you might already know, YouTube is in a full out war right now against TikTok, Instagram Reels, and the other platforms that post short form content. And why does this even matter? Why am I showing you this? Because if you take a look here, this is only AdSense revenue. I make money in a lot of other ways using my YouTube channel. But let's just say you made only ad revenue for now. If YouTube receives $25.92 every 1,000 views and he pays me $13.05, which means 68% of this revenue right here in 2023 would mean that the RPM for short form content would be $10.36. And as you can see here, I have 2.5 million views in the last 28 days. This would mean for a short form curator, $25,900. This is how much you would make if you were posting short form content. And if you know anything about YouTube, is that short form content is easy to get views because it has an enormous organic reach. If you go into my channel and you look at my short form content, you're going to see that I barely put any effort into my videos, which I'm going to start putting from now on because on 2023, they're going to start paying me for these shorts. So how many views would you have to get to make $1,000 every single day as a short form creator? Based on a 1036 CPM, you would have to get 92,000 views every single day to get $1,000 a day from AdSense revenue alone. And that is completely possible. As you can see, in my lowest day posting long form content, I make $661, and in my top day, I made $1,511. And if you look at my channel history, you're going to see that my channel is only 4 months old. 4 months. I grew this channel from 0 to 160,000 subscribers and 30K a month in revenue or even more. And I'm only focusing on long form content for now. And if you're thinking that 92,000 views is a lot, then what you can do is you can use another monetization method that I'm going to teach you throughout this video to cut that in half. So 92 divided by 2 is 46,000 views, which is very, very easy to get, especially when posting short form content. Even if you have 0 subscribers, this is going to work for you. So let's say you're posting YouTube Shorts and you're getting 46,000 views every single day. You can see here that I'm getting 156.8 thousand views every 48 hours. So that's 78,000 every 24 hours, right? Every single day I'm getting about 80,000 views, and I'm posting long form content. Let's say you post a short form content and you get 46,000 views every single day. That's 46,000 people that watch your video. From all those 46,000 people, if you manage to make 5 sales, 46,000, just stop right now and imagine 46,000 people in front of you. And if you can get five of those people to buy something off of you for $100, then that's $1,000 a day. And I'm going to guide you through step by step on what you have to do to achieve this goal. So listen carefully. From now on, do what I do, click where I click, and by the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $1,000 every single day. Because that's all I do here on this channel. I literally post free videos every single week, teaching you different methods that you can use to make money online right now. And if you're not subscribed, you're going to miss the future videos, and that could have been the video that changed the game for you forever. So the first thing that I'm going to show you today is how you can get the right offers to put in front of the right audience so you can get those 5 sales every single day consistently. So for you to get offers to sell, you can go to a few places. The first one you can go, which requires no registering, nothing. You can live anywhere in the world. You can get paid through my affiliate program. This is my course, Pro University. Right now it's at pre-launch price. I'm selling it for $49 a month. And after Black Friday, I'm going to raise the price to $240 a month, $247 actually. And whenever you make a sale from this program, you're going to earn 25%, which is $61.75. So this is the first one that you can affiliate yourself to. And all you have to do is go into this page right here, which I'm going to leave the link in the text file below that you can just go there and open it. Just type your email here, click let me in, and you're going to receive receive your affiliate link and the link to your affiliate dashboard where you can track your sales. It's that easy. After you've done that, you can just shorten your link and start making sales. But if you want to find more offers and you don't want to sell my product, you can go to Digistore24, register here for an account, and you can find hundreds of offers. Another option is Warrior Plus. You can go to warriorplus.com. Also, all links are in the description text file below. You can just sign up for a free account, and you can also go to ClickBank and you can sign up for a free account, which I'm going to show you how you can do right now, just in case you want to go to ClickBank. So all you have to do is come to clickbank.com, create an account here. Once you hit this page, all you have to do is select the country, first name, last name, phone number, email address, and a password. All you have to do after you input your information is click here, continue to terms and conditions, and then you create the account. Okay, now it's going to ask if you want to join their free community. You don't have to, just click no. Now it's going to ask you to accept, again, some terms and conditions. All you have to do is click download suppression list and accept. All right, now you can just delete that suppression list. Okay, now after you create your account, all you have to do to find the offers is go here on the left side, affiliate marketplace, click on that. It's going to open a new window, and here you can search for whatever niche offer you want to offer. So on my case, I'm going to go to business and investing. So as you can see, if you scroll down here, you can see several offers. This one is offering $31, $42, $131, $1,000. Each conversion that you get through this crypto thing here, you're going to get $1,131. So if you sell just this, just make one sale a day, you're going to be making a lot more than $1,000. So let's go for a cheaper one, right? Let's go for this 271, and I'm going to click promote. All I have to do is just type my nickname in here. Oh yeah, I forgot. You have to go back to your account and you have to set a nickname. All you have to do is click here, accounts. You go back to your dashboard where you were, go click here, accounts on the left. Then you create a nickname. You need this because it's going to ask your nickname when you try to create a hop link, and they know the sales came from you. Okay, so just create anything in here, and then you want to select affiliate, promote products. Right after you've done that, just sign up. Done. Your nickname is created. Now you can go back to the marketplace. Now you type it here. After you input your nickname, just create hop link. Now your link is going to pop up down here. All you have to do is copy this link, and then you can promote it anywhere. Okay, this is the process that you have to do to promote ClickBank products. If you want to go through my one, it's easier. Just put your email here and you're going to receive your affiliate link by email. That's it. Before we continue with this video, I want to offer you a huge opportunity. Have you ever thought about starting your YouTube channel and getting results like these that you're seeing on the screen right now? These are my results from the last 28 days. It's not even a month. In this program, I'm going to teach you how I went from 0 to 160,000 subscribers in 4 months. How I went from making $0 a month to making over $50,000 every single month. This that you're seeing on the screen right now is just the ad revenue alone. That's not taking into account brand sponsorships, affiliate marketing, course sales, merch sales. Plus, you can grow any other business that you might think of starting in the future due to your YouTube audience. The opportunities are endless. On the low end, my channel is making $660 every day. On the high end, it's making $1,500 every single day. Let's say you make the low end of that. What would you do with $660 every single day? That's an extra $20K a month. Would you retire your family, go on vacation, travel the world, pay those student debts, pay those credit card loans? What would you do with the money? This course is selling today for only $247. This is the cheapest YouTube course you're going to find, period. And I'm going to teach you A to Z everything that I did in my channel to grow from 0 to 160K in 4 months, and to be able to have a salary of $30,000 to $50,000 every single month in 4 months. And on top of that, the people that join the course have access to my daily AMAs in a Discord server, which I answer personally via the voice channel, any question that you might have. Don't hesitate, go join now, click the link in the description, and I'll see you inside. Now let's continue with the video. That's it. Now, if you're thinking to yourself that it's hard to get 46,000 views a day, then let me clear your mind here really quick and show you some channels that are doing this. First channel that I want to show you is this Dan Rhodes guy. This guy has 18.2 million subscribers. If you take a look at his shorts, he's getting 28K views from one short. This is just one video. One video he posts, 28,000 views, 200, 146, 500,000 views. How much money do you think he's going to make from this video next year? What about this one? 1 million views, 300,000 views, 200,000 views, 5 million views. How much money do you think he's going to make from this next year? Of course, the CPM plays a role here, depends on your channel niche, but if you're doing a finance niche, let me show you a different guy right now. This guy here is on a finance niche. He's a lawyer. His name is Legal Eagle. That's the name of his channel. He's got 2.6 million subscribers. Check out his shorts. 250,000 views, 140, 500, 630, 3.1 million views. I'm safe to say that this guy is getting at least similar CPMs than I am. And let's say you needed 92,000 views to get $1,000, right? Without making any sales. So next year, this guy here is going to potentially be making from this video alone, this one video here that he got 3 million views, this amount of money. He's going to be making $32,000 off of one video. Now I'm guessing, since this guy is a lawyer, I'm guessing he is adding some call to action to the video, either on the description of the video or the top pinned comment of his video. So that's what I'm going to check right now. As you can see, if you go to the description of his video, he's got two links here. One, he's sending you to Nebula, which is a platform that they charge you for you to watch videos. And the second one is Suits by, I don't know how to say this, but he's got two calls to action in the description of his video. And I can see he didn't add anything to the pinned comment, but you could easily add something here and pin the comment. As you can see, 5,000 people commented on his video. Imagine if 5 people bought your product. Another channel that is killing it with shorts is this Lanky Box. 21 million subscribers, posting shorts as well. 200,000, 200,000, 100,000, 1.1 million views, 700,000 views. Let's sort by most popular. Now let's get crazy here a little bit. 265 million views. How much money do you think you can make off of those? I'm not even going to try to guess because it's going to be some crazy number, but you get the point. So on my last video, I showed you how you can use other people's content, famous people's content, and just repost them, be able to grow your channel and monetize those via affiliate marketing. But right now I'm showing you a different opportunity, because when I made my last video, YouTube hadn't announced this new monetization way. So if you do my last video, you're not going to be able to get AdSense. For you to be able to make money via YouTube AdSense, you need to have original content. At the end of this video, I'm going to point you towards my other video, which shows you exactly a step-by-step in-depth of how you can create that video completely copyright free. You could either use that video or you can just choose to repost my videos. The reason why you're not going to get in trouble reposting my videos is the following. If you go into my channel right now and I click here on the left, copyright, I'm going to see every single person that is reposting my videos and how they're doing it. When you get a copyright claim that you're not able to monetize your videos, is because the owner of the video comes here and he does a copyright claim on the video. As you can see here where my cursor is, I can request video removal, but I don't do that. That's why reposting my videos is a program that I have that you're never going to get in trouble, at least not from me. So when you sign up for my program, you're going to get paid through your views. 10K views, $10, 50K views, $20, 100 to 500, 50 to $100, and 500K views or more, $200. And you're also going to get your affiliate link to sell the course. Now, all of these views are going to be checked personally by me, and I've had some people try to scam me in the past. Trust me, I can smell and I can see a mile away when someone has fake views. Don't try to scam me. I can see it. I know when they're real. Also, when you choose to repost the videos, you're only going to be getting access to my best performing videos. Let me show you. So these are my best performing videos. If you go to TikTok, you're going to see that this video here got almost 1 million views. This one too. This one has 395,000 views, 200, 200, 150, 91, 87, 71. You get the point. I only uploaded to the folder my best performing videos. Once you input your email, this is what you're going to see. Welcome. Click the button below to access the folder, and here is a step-by-step of how to post the videos correctly. So all you have to do to access the video folder is just click access the files. You're going to be taken to a Google Drive folder. When you hit this folder, there's a long form video folder and a short form video folder. You can use any of the two. You can repost full videos if you want, but I recommend that you use the creativity to edit the videos in a different and unique way. As you can see, if you go into the folder, you're going to have the best performing videos, right? But if I go to my copyright tab here on YouTube, I can see the titles that people are using on the videos, and they're using the exact same titles that I'm using. And when they do this, they're going against my channel. They're trying to compete with my channel. What you have to do to post videos and get views is first follow this step-by-step here to the T. I have a posting schedule here for you that works. This schedule works. And this information here, number 2, is the most important one. Do not post 10 videos at the same time. This will guarantee that your videos get 0 views. That's because the platform will think that you're trying to spam it. And this is the biggest mistake I see every single person make. Even though I wrote it here, most people just post like 100 videos in a single day. This doesn't work. All you have to do is follow this schedule right here and follow my how to go viral on YouTube video to learn how to get original, unique titles for your videos. The title is 80% of the view. Now, once you access the file, all you have to do to download the video is choose the video that you want to repost. You want to right click it and download. After you downloaded the video, all you have to do is go to this video right here, how to go viral on YouTube. It's going to teach you A to Z, everything that you have to do to correctly post a video and get a high amount of views. Don't worry, I'm going to give you all the resources in text file and at the end of this video. If you're someone that has experience recording videos and posting videos, then no problem, you can create your own videos. If you don't want to repost my videos, you can go to my other video that I'm going to point out in a minute, and you can make your own videos using AI. No problem, no copyright. And if you want to repost my videos, videos, this is the way. You have a lot of options on where to get videos. You don't even have to make them yourself, just copy and paste. So here are the ways that you're going to be making money if you decide to use this method. The first method is you're going to grow your YouTube channel using done for you videos. The second method that you're going to get paid is through YouTube AdSense. 3, brand deals. 4, sponsorships. 5, affiliate marketing. 6, if you want to get free money, go sign up for the Webull free offer that they're going to give you 12 fractional shares valued up to $30,600 just for signing up and making a qualifying deposit of any amount. No catch, just sign up and deposit any amount. Could be $1. They're going to give you 12 fractional shares valued up to $30,600. It's free money. And if you want to get prior access to these videos, go sign up to my mailing list because every video takes 7 days to get edited. And I always tell the people in the Discord and in the mailing list first before the video gets posted here on the channel. Now here's a step-by-step of what you have to do to perform this method. Number 1, go to one of the websites and get one affiliate offer. It doesn't matter if it's my offer, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, Digistore24, it doesn't matter. Just get something to sell. Number 2, either you can use my videos to repost, or you can go to my Cash Cow YouTube channel video or my TikTok Cash Cow video to learn how to create AI videos for your channel that have no copyright. Number 3, start posting those videos following the schedule. Number 4, comment YouTube Shorts in the comment section so I know that you watched this video until the end. Number 5, click the thumbnails on the screen right now to check out the videos that I mentioned here in this video. I will see you on that video. Work hard, play hard.